What's the meaning of bag lunch? Bag lunch. Bag lunch.
Bag lunch. Bag lunch. A bag lunch typically refers to a meal that is prepared at home and packed in a bag or container to be eaten later in the day. This type of lunch is often brought to school or work by individuals who prefer to bring their own food rather than purchasing a meal from a cafeteria or restaurant. Bag lunches can consist of a variety of items, such as sandwiches, fruits, vegetables, snacks, and drinks. They are often seen as a cost-effective and healthier alternative to fast food or other prepackaged options. Preparing a bag lunch can also offer greater control over the quality and nutritional content of the food being consumed.